Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can apply various animation effects to text boxes in general or to your website title or heading, specifically on Wix in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so let me go with that example website here. I created for the sake of this tutorial with that title here for the homepage of that website or welcome page. So what you will need to do is click into the given title or text, and instead of clicking into edit text, use that button here with these with that square animations and effects. And from here you may expand your animation type like entrance, loop, scroll, mouse effects. I will go with entrance and select the animation you'd like to go with. On default it will be set to none, so no animation, but you can go with, for example, one of these or that, and you will see the preview here to the left. Once selected, you may customize it even more by selecting this button here and select the animation duration in seconds or a delay, for instance, the motion style like intense, moderate or gentle. See the preview here. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.